લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 6 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 7, that is example number 28 of your book. On 1/10/2015, Mr. Yogi joined as a manager in a Nirma Company Limited in salary scale of 12,500, 500, 1,400, 1,000, 25,000. You have to find out his taxable salary income for the salary for the financial year 2019-20 from the following details given to you. 40% of basic pay is received as a dearness allowance, 50% of which is considered for retirement for the calculation of provident fund contribution, that is retirement. 800 per month is paid as a entertainment allowance. Education allowance is given 1,200 per month per child for 2 children. The company has paid rupees 18,000 as a gates, electricity and water charges, of which 2/3 is for personal use. A residential bungalow in Surat, population of more than 10 lakhs but not more than 25 lakhs, is provided by the company. Municipal value is 40,000. Furniture costing rupees 2,04,800 has been also given by the company. Here municipal value is given, so bungalow is owned by employer. The company has paid his life insurance premium. So the company has also paid salary of watchman and gardener 2,200 and 1,200 per month. Here the accommodation facility is provided. House is owned by company, so gardener ni salary alagthi taxable thase nahi. The company has paid his life insurance premium of rupees 10,300, also paid deposit 32,000 in public provident fund account. He contributes to recognized provident fund at 15% of basic salary plus 50% of dearness allowance. The company's contribution is 12% of such salary. This is 12%. 200 per month is deductible as a professional tax from his salary. The company has paid his hotel and club bill of rupees 42,000. 9,500 as a compensation for injury during office hour is also paid by the company. Example number 6, 7. Statement બનાવશે સૌથી પહેલા આપણે statement showing taxable income from salary of Mr. Yogi. Basic salary, working note number, basic salary. He joined on 1/10/2015. Our financial year is 2019-20. That is start from 1st April 19 to end on 31st March 2020. He joined on 1/10/2015. The grade of 12,000, 500, 500, 14,000, 1,000, 25,000. So basic salary 12,500. Next year, that is 2016, 1/10/2016, his salary is rupees 12,500 plus 500. That is he received increment, that is 13,000. On 1/10/17, 13,000 plus received increment of 500 that is 13,500. 11018 13,500 plus receive increment of 500. Now his salary become 14,000. Next on 1/10/2019, now his salary is 14,000. After 40,000 he received increment of rupees 1,000. So 1,000, that is 15,000. Now from 1/4/2019 to 30/9/2019 his salary was 1,400 per month. From 1/10/2019 to 31st March 2020 his salary become 15,000 per month. So April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. 14,000 multiplied by 6, that is 84,000. 15,000 multiplied by 6, that is 90,000. Total of these two is 1,74,000. This is basic salary, 1,74,000. First, dearness allowance. Total DA 1,74,000. He received dearness allowance 40% of salary, that is 1,74,000 na 40%, 69600. Second, he also received education 800 per month as a entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance 800 per month. He is non-government employee, so totally taxable 800 multiplied by 12, 9,600. Next, third, education allowance is given 1,200 per month. Education allowance 1,200 per month per child. Note 2, education allowance. Education allowance rupees actual 1,200 per month per child for 2 child. So 1,200 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2, 28,800 minus exempted 100 per month per child up to 2 child, that is 2,400. 26,400. Next, fourth, company has paid 18,000 as a gas, electricity and water charges. Out of this, 2/3 is for personal purpose, personal use of gas, electricity and water charges. Total there is 18,000. 2/3 is for personal purpose, that is 12,000. Next, fifth, a residential bungalow in Surat, accommodation facility. Note 3, accommodation facility. First we have to find out BABC. Basic 1,74,000 plus DA retirement benefit માટે total DA 69600, out of which 50% is considered for retirement benefit. So 69600 divided by 2, that is 34,800. Plus other allowances. Other allowances are entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance 9,600 plus education allowance 26,400, personal use, that is per. Next, બોનસની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપણે આપેલી નથી. નેક્સ્ટ, કમિશનની પણ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપેલી નથી. સો ટોટલ ઓફ ધીસ 1,74,000 પ્લસ 34,800 પ્લસ 9,600 પ્લસ 26,400, 2,44,800. This is BABC. Now BABC 2,44,800. Now house is in Surat, taxable value of unfurnished, house in Surat, population is between 10 to 15 lakhs. Population between 10 to 15 lakhs. So 10% of BABC 2,44,800 and a 10% 24,480 plus rent. It is given that furniture is also provided. Furniture costing 2,04,800. 10% of value of furniture. So furniture ની value આપેલી છે 2,04,800 and a 10% 2,04,80. Total 2,04,80, that is 44,960. This is taxable value of 4 per. Next, sixth, company has also paid salary of watchman and gardener. Watchman salary, that is 2,200 per month multiplied by 12, 26,400. Salary of gardener, because gardener house is owned by company, so separately gardener ni salary taxable thase. Seventh, this is new point for us. Next, company has paid life insurance premium and also deposit in PPF account. LIP paid by company, life insurance premium paid by company 10,300, deposited, company deposited in PPF. This is also taxable 32,000. One kind of per. Next, he contribute, employee contribution is covered under section 80C. Now company's contribution is 12% of basic salary. 12% of salary, RPF contribution. So up to 12%, that is fully exempted. Ninth, next, 200 per month is deducted from professional tax, that is deduction. Hotel and club bill paid by company. Hotel and club bill 42,000. Next, last, compensation received while injury in office duty. that is fully exempt. Total of this is gross salary. Total 1,74,000 plus 69600 plus 9,600 plus 26,400 plus 12,000 plus 44,960 plus 26,400 plus 10,300 plus 32,000 plus 42,000. That is 4,47,260. 4,47,260 less specified deduction. First, standard deduction, that is 50,000. Second, professional tax, that is 2,400 per month. Professional tax 200 per month. 200 multiplied by 12, 2,400. 52,400 minus 52,400. That is 3,94,860 is taxable salary income. This is taxable salary income. This is your answer. Next sum we will start in our next session. Thank you.